Back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring. And we're gonna make something delicious today. It's gonna come at you at about 390 calories depending on your serving size on this, but we're gonna make some overnight oats. So we're gonna pull those together. And the other thing we're gonna pull together is this awesome coconut granola. So of course, all of these are low in calories and high in nutrition and super high in flavor. We're gonna throw this together and make a beautiful bowl of overnight oats with a sprinkling of granola and some fresh berries. So let's whip up our overnight oats. These are super easy. Very little ingredients go in this. This is something you can put together on the go, and I will show you the options. We're gonna make it in a jar, and you can go ahead and take that on the go. You can add the fixings or not to that. You can add so many different things to this. So this is a great base breakfast. We're gonna put it in a bowl today just to make it super pretty for the camera and for you guys. So let's get our overnights rolling, and then let's get our granola making.
This is one serving, so this is a half of a cup of oats. I have 1 scoop or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and I'm using oat milk right here. You can use almond milk, oat milk, regular milk, whatever you want, and that's 3/4 of a cup. A pinch of honey. We're going to give it a good shake, and this can go in the fridge for up to 12 hours.
Okay, our overnight oats are in the fridge. Let's whip together the granola. We're going to bake it really quick. I really appreciate you all being here, and thank you for watching and participating in my channel each week. And please smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, give me some awesome likes. But let's get our granola put together.
So this granola is power packed. We have oats. We're going to use pumpkin seeds. We also have chopped almonds, and I have unsalted raw almonds, regular coconut, unsweetened, and some quinoa, or you can use buckwheat for this. Give it a nice stir. Now we're going to use coconut oil. You can use any oil you prefer on this. That's what I used. We're going to use a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of salt. The salt really pulls this together, so unless you have trouble with salt, this is kind of a key point of this. And of course, a little bit of honey. You can use agave for this as well. You can also use maple syrup. We're going to put all this together. We're going to whisk this together first, and then we are going to go ahead and put it over our oats. We're going to get it mixed really good in our oats. And on a prepared baking sheet, I just put parchment paper on there. We are going to lay this out single layer. So this is mixed really nice. Our oven is preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to go about 15 minutes here. Watch it, because mine ended up a little bit more brown than I would prefer, but it still tasted amazing. So stir it together, and you can store this in an airtight container. We're going to build our bowl here. So I'm going to take my overnight oats. They sat for just over 8 hours in the refrigerator. I'm going to show you the consistency here. If you want it wetter, you can add more liquid. If you want it thicker, you can add less liquid. Now you can eat this right out of the jar with apples and cinnamon or fresh berries or anything you want. They're so versatile. But in this bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of that granola that we made and some fresh berries. And there is your delicious breakfast.
You ought to smell that granola. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm going to say this is one incredible breakfast bite. Let's give it a taste. So we have everything here. You have all these different textures going on, which is really quite fun. So I'm going to try and get a little bit of everything. And the nutrition value of this is just through the roof. So let's give it a taste. That is really, really, really good. It's really, you have the sweet, you have the earthy. It's really smooth and creamy. This is really good. So I want to thank you again so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a wonderful week. I will see you next week. We're going to make margarita ice cream sandwiches. No alcohol involved.